I used to work as an IT software tester, but I lost my job. I couldn't find a new job for quite a long time ever since. I even tried to learn IT business analyst, but I still couldn't find a new job. I was really struggling because I have not been working for almost a year. Once my relative saw this and recommended me to learn SAP MM from Nextnow college. He told me he learned SAP MM from there 5 years ago and has been working as an SAP MM consultant successfully ever since. I spoke to Salman sir from Nextnow college. He explained me everything about the SAP MM S4 HANA and the jobs market. I was really impressed how confident he was about SAP MM. His training was really practical and helped me learn everything what I needed for work. He helped me to prepare for interviews and created a great resume. He also helped me to find job interviews and was always there to answer my questions. I have applied for 3 jobs and got 2 offers within 30 days. I chose the best one, and now I have a full-time job as an SAP supply chain consultant in one of the Big 4 in Canada, which pays 135K per annum. Salman sir helped me a lot from the beginning until I got my job. He's even helping me now if I have questions at work. You will not find a better person than Salman sir and a better college than Nextnow.